You spend a third of your life doing this. Yet even Einstein probably ignored what his body was trying to whisper every night. Your sleep position isn't just comfort. It's a secret code. A hidden language Leonardo da Vinci himself would have diagrammed if he ever stopped inventing long enough to take a nap. Every posture you fall into sends signals about your health, your stress, even your personality. Most of us never notice this nightly broadcast happening right beneath our pillows. Today, we're decoding that message. By the end of this, you'll read your sleep like Newton read gravity. Unexpectedly, but suddenly obvious. If this blew your mind, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video until the end. And if you missed it, check out my last video on poop colors. The side sleeper, evolution's default mode. Let's start with the most common position, the side sleeper. This isn't just popular, it's practically factory settings. Imagine cavemen curled on their side, protecting vital organs from predators. Even Einstein reportedly napped this way, though probably while dreaming of bending space-time instead of his spine. That fetal shape? Cozy, yes. But also a built-in mechanism improving digestion and reducing heart strain. But here's where things get dramatic and slightly scientific. Your left side and right side aren't twins. They're opposites. Sleeping on your left side is a secret weapon for acid reflux. Gravity keeps stomach acid where it belongs, like a polite guest at a dinner party. Pregnant individuals? Doctors recommend the left side for better circulation. Newton would have blamed gravity again. But the hidden trap? Pillow height. Too thin, too thick, and suddenly you're waking up feeling like Tom Cruise did his own stunts on your neck. The fix is simple. A pillow that keeps your head aligned with your spine. A tiny adjustment with a massive payoff. And here's the surprising part. Recent research suggests side sleeping helps your brain's cleaning system, the glymphatic system. Yes, while you dream about Taylor Swift winning another award, your brain is literally flushing out toxins. Side sleeping turns your mind into a self-cleaning oven. The stomach sleeper. The high-risk daredevil. Now for the stomach sleeper, the daredevil, the rebel. The person who apparently thinks gravity is optional. This position often feels secure, like your body hugging the mattress the way fans hug Sabrina Carpenter at concerts. But your neck pays the price immediately. To breathe, you must twist your head to the side. Hours of this, your spine is screaming. This is the position equivalent of signing up for a lifetime supply of morning neck pain. Your chest presses down, restricting your diaphragm, making your breathing shallow. You think you're sleeping deeply, but your body is working overtime just to inhale like a normal human. Yes, in a few rare cases of sleep apnea, stomach sleeping helps. But for most, the cons dominate. Spinal strain, reduced oxygen, and, brace yourself, facial wrinkles. Constant pressure on your face breaks down collagen faster than Obama breaks into a smile. So how do you break the habit? Strategy, not willpower. Hug a full-body pillow. It recreates that secure feeling without crushing your spine. Or use a pillow wedge at your side to discourage rolling over. You're retraining your body, not fighting it. The back sleeper. The beautiful disaster. Now the back sleeper, the ultimate double-edged sword. On one hand, this position offers perfect spinal alignment. Newton would approve. Your face? Completely free from pillow pressure. No wrinkles, no squishing. It's the Hollywood-approved anti-aging method. Rumor has it most celebrities prefer this. But here's the catch. Snoring. Loud snoring. Back sleeping practically invites your tongue and soft palate to collapse backward, partially blocking your airway. Your partner hears it. You don't. And suddenly, you're the human chainsaw in the room. Back sleeping is also the position most linked to sleep paralysis. If that haunting, I can't move moment happens often, I'm not saying stop sleeping on your back, but maybe stop sleeping on your back. How do you fix it? Elevate your head slightly with a wedge pillow. Or slip a small pillow under your knees to support your spine. If snoring continues, that's your body sending a clearer message than any celebrity tweet. Switch to your side. Your body's nightly report card. So here's your assignment tonight. Pay attention to the position you wake up in. That's your body giving you a direct report card. If you're waking with pain or fatigue, the culprit is likely your position. Change it, and you unlock deeper, restorative sleep. Something even Einstein, Newton, and Leonardo would have envied. Because every night your body speaks. Tonight, you finally learn to listen.